So here if is one of the my Amazon EC2 account, Amazon account. So here I already have it one. Sorry, let me click dashboard. Yeah, I already have one instance running. So what I have to do, I have to go to the image and this create this image. So let me tell you that like once you initiate the image creation process, your Amazon EC2 instance will be currently stopped. Like if it is serving a website, then that process will be temporarily halted. So make sure that like you are not doing into this live system. So you have to give the name, give some test dummy, and you have to just create the image. So it will take some time and the request is received. So once the request is received, then you can go to this AMI options and click here. So here it will show that this test dummy AMI is pending, and once this thing is completed, then so what you have to do, like you have to select this modify image permissions. So I already have this AWS account linked with this image, so you have to add an image here, and you can just mention it public and private. Please make it private if your image is having some confidential data. Otherwise you can make it as public, but make it private, and just use this account number. For opening this account number, you have to go to your my account, then this page will load, and once that page is loaded, like you have to use this account ID and paste that account ID under here. And once that thing is completed, then you go to, so let me show you my one of the other account. So you go to a EC2 dashboard, you go to under AMI. So here it is saying owned by me. Just instead of that, you click on this private images. So it will show you all private images which has been shared by you, which has been shared with you. So I hope this tutorial has been beneficial. If so, do give us a thumbs up, and if you have any comments, please mention in the description. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.